Hey there! Welcome to Wealthmaster, your go-to channel for smart money-saving tips and tricks. Today, I'm excited to share 5 super effective hacks that can help you save a lot of money, and fast. Whether it's cutting down on your grocery bill, slashing your transport costs, or reducing your electricity usage, these tricks are practical, easy to apply, and designed to make a big difference in your budget. And, if you stick around till the end, I'll share a game-changing tip that could save you thousands of shillings every single month. Let's get started! First up, buy in bulk and use online shopping platforms. It's no secret that buying in bulk is one of the best ways to save money on everyday essentials. When you purchase items like rice, flour, cooking oil, or soap in larger quantities, you can get them at much lower prices. Stores like Carrefour, Naivas, and Quickmart have great deals on bulk purchases, which can reduce your overall grocery bill. But don't just stop at supermarkets. Take advantage of online platforms like Jumia, Kilimall, and Sky Garden. These sites often have amazing discounts, especially during sales events like Black Friday or Jumia anniversary sales. And if you use promo codes or online coupons, you can save even more. Always remember to compare prices online before heading to the store. You'd be surprised how much you can save just by shopping smart. Now let's talk about M-Pesa rewards and loyalty programs. If you're not taking full advantage of M-Pesa's cashback offers, you're missing out on free money. Every time you pay your bills or buy airtime through M-Pesa, you accumulate points that can be redeemed for airtime, shopping vouchers, or even cash. And it's not just M-Pesa. Safaricom's Bonga Points program allows you to accumulate points that you can redeem for phones, data bundles, and even household items. Make sure you're also signed up for loyalty programs from your favorite stores, petrol stations, and supermarkets. For instance, Shell and Total Energies have great loyalty cards that offer points every time you fuel up, which you can later redeem for discounts or other rewards. These small rewards add up quickly, and before you know it, you've saved yourself a significant amount. Next, let's discuss a tip that can dramatically reduce your food expenses: meal prepping and avoiding eating out. It's easy to grab a quick meal from places like Java or KFC, but eating out regularly can seriously drain your finances. Instead, try meal prepping. Plan your meals for the week, buy groceries in bulk, and cook in advance. Not only will this save you money, but it's also healthier and more time efficient. Cooking at home costs a fraction of what you'd spend at a restaurant. For example, preparing a meal at home might cost you around 150 shillings per serving, whereas eating out at Java could set you back at least 600 shillings. That's 4 times the savings! Plus, when you meal prep, you control what goes into your food, so you're not only saving money, you're also eating healthier. Let's move on to transport. In Kenya, transport is a significant part of most people's monthly expenses. That's why using public transport or carpooling can be a game changer. Matatus, buses, and even the SGR train are far cheaper than taking daily Uber or Bolt rides. If you need to use a ride-hailing app, make sure to use Little Rides Share or Uber Pool to split the cost with other passengers going in the same direction. By doing this, you could cut your daily commute costs in half. Another great option is carpooling with colleagues or neighbors, which can reduce fuel and parking expenses significantly. Small changes in how you commute can lead to big savings over time, so don't overlook this one. Lastly, one of the most impactful ways to save money fast is by switching to solar energy and using energy-saving bulbs. With electricity costs being so high in Kenya, installing solar panels can save you a ton of money in the long run. You don't need to install a massive system. A small solar water heater or a few panels to power your lights and appliances can make a significant difference. Additionally, switching to LED bulbs can cut your electricity usage by up to 80%. They last longer and consume far less energy compared to traditional bulbs. If you're looking for affordable solar options, companies like M-Kopa and Sun King offer pay-as-you-go solar solutions that allow you to save on electricity without having to make a huge initial investment. Not only does this save you money, but it's also great for the environment. And there you have it, 5 simple yet powerful tricks to save a lot of money fast. Whether it's changing how you shop, how you eat, or how you commute, these small adjustments can add up to huge savings. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What other money-saving tips have you found useful? Share them in the comments below, and let's help each other save even more. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to Wealthmaster, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on more tips that will make your life easier and more affordable. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep saving and stay smart.